Have you ever felt trapped by a software subscription? Like you're stuck in a never-ending commitment? Well, today we're talking about breaking free from one of those digital chains, Housecall Pro. Let's dive into how you can finally cancel that subscription. Now, I know what you're thinking. It should be simple, right? Just call them up, say cancel, and boom, you're done. If only it were that easy. Housecall Pro, like many software companies, has a knack for making things more complicated than they need to be. But don't worry, we're going to break down the process step by step. First off, let's talk about why you might want to cancel Housecall Pro. Maybe it's not living up to its promises, perhaps you found a better option, or maybe you're simply tired of paying for something you're not fully utilizing. Whatever your reason, you're in control and you have the right to cancel. Before we jump into the cancellation process, let's talk about some important considerations. Have you backed up all your data? Do you have a new software in mind? It's crucial to have a plan in place before you cut ties with Housecall Pro. Alright, let's get down to business. The most straightforward way to cancel is usually through your account settings. Log in to your Housecall Pro account, navigate to the Settings or Preferences section, and look for a cancellation option. It might be hidden under names like Deactivate Account or Subscription Management. If you can't find the cancellation option online, it's time to pick up the phone. Dial Housecall Pro's customer support number, prepare yourself for some potential back and forth, and be persistent. Have your account information ready, and clearly state your intention to cancel. Now, here's a little tip. Document everything. Take screenshots, save emails, and keep a record of your calls. This can be invaluable if you run into any issues down the line. What if you cancel, but the charges keep coming? Don't panic, but do take action. Dispute the charges with your bank and follow up with Housecall Pro. Be firm but polite and reference your previous cancellation attempts. Remember, you're not alone in this. Many people have gone through the same process. Share your experiences in the comments below. It might help someone else who's in the same boat. One final thing. Consider leaving a review. Whether it's positive or negative, your feedback can help others make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.